The range is used to target the upper trapezius with deep and precise pressure. The upper trapezius is a large muscle that often contains trigger points that lead to headaches. Release the upper trapezius first to improve the subsequent release of the neck and pectoralis minor. To find your upper trapezius, grab the muscle located between your neck and shoulder. Shrug your shoulder up to feel it even more. This is your release zone for the upper trapezius. Lying on the ground will help you deliver pressure while the muscle is in its most relaxed position. You can also release this muscle leaning over or pushing up on it. Place the yoga block between the range and the wall to create the ideal grip for the range and space between you and the wall. This can also be done without a block on the corner of a wall, chair leg, or through an open doorway. Place the range against the block with the tips you want to use pointing away from the block. Lay down on your back with your knees bent and line up the tips of the range in the release zone. To increase the pressure, use your feet to push your body into the range. If you're using a chair leg or something similar, you could grab the leg with your arm and pull down to increase the pressure even more. Once you find a tight spot, take slow, deep breaths and relax your body. Maintain this pressure for 90 seconds or more. For best results, release 1 to 3 spots along the upper trapezius on both sides. Feel free to try the other tips or change the angle of the range to see what's best for you.